this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I have something from Japan. It's a thing here. It's not this one, it's not this one. There's that. Okay. Kind of a little discombobulated here. It's this. It's a Japanese Sapporo Ichiban cup. It's small fried shrimp soba. I think that's the deal. So, let's see what we have. We've got the cup. That's the nice thing about these. I can get all the stuff off of them and put them back together sometimes, which is helpful. The noodle block. And all the stuff other than the noodle block that was loose in there. Which, quite a bit, honestly. Quite a bit. So, we fill it to the line, which is up here. Wow, that's kind of tall. A lot of height to it. Okay, here we are. A little bit more. Oh. And we got 3 minutes on this sucker. So, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and go. So, yeah. Got some little air bubbles popping up and the thing's going like bloop, bloop. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's fun. Those are the kind of things that make me happy. Just so you know. Little air bubbles. So, what's going on today? Ha 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 ha. Well, woke up. It was raining. That's okay. Me and Mimi went and did 6,000 plus steps this morning. So that was cool. Got back. Talked to my newfound brother who lives in Israel that I found on Ancestry.com. Yeah, I don't know. It's a trip. And talked about movies. He's also legally blind, which is, you know, kind of a trip too. He's got, but I think his vision is much worse than mine. He's got a, what do you call it? He's got a dog. I mean, we've got a pug, but he doesn't do anything insofar as helping me get around. That's for certain. Otis more impedes travel than helps with it. I'm sorry, dude. I gotta call it as I see it or don't. But yeah. Got phone calls. 2 phone calls. I won't say who from. But they were from a company in Malaysia. Between, I think it was like around 1:40 a.m. It's like, I'm like, what? Is that my alarm going off? My wife's like, turn it off! Miles is like glaring at me, hitting my phone. I'm like, what? And then I woke up. I'm like, oh great, because we fell asleep like around 11:30, I think. So it was a late night. I'm like, great. I'm like ultra awake. Okay. And so I came out here, dealt with the people, told them what they needed to know. Got all these 3 reviews ready to go. And then crawled back into bed, and I think I got like 3 more hours. So, yeah, I'm doing all right today. Little extra caffeine. That's right. Beep, 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 beep. And let's give this a try. Wow. Shrimp Soba. And it does have, I think that's what that is, right? I don't know what, those look to be shrimp. I hope they're shrimp. There's bits of kamaboko. Looks like tempura going on. So let's make sure you can see all the wonderful, all that beautiful bean footage. You'll hear me mention that every once in a while, and the only reason is because it's like an inside joke that I remember hearing people from a TV station here. There was a guy in a tree. That's how bored we get in Washington. Salty. Very salty. And there's this. Oh. It's small shrimp, but it's the whole thing, so you get to eat the skin, or the peel. Kamaboko. It's not bad. I mean, if you really like shrimp, salty shrimp, I like the whole sweet prawn thing myself. Yeah. Let's put this into the pot. I just got done reading my daughter The Cat in the Hat. So those are shrimp in a pot, not fish in a pot. Oh. A company sent me this a long time ago to use for noodles, and I've always thought it was funny because it's like, that's a cat. This is like a cat food dish. That's the vibe I get out of it. You know? It's like, enjoy your noodles, by the way. This is a cat food dish. Good amount of seaweed in here. This gloppy stuff absolutely has to be tempura. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's tempura. Well, it's shrimp, and it says small shrimp. I don't like small shrimp. I like me some big shrimp. Jumbo shrimp. These are 31.44 count per pound shrimp from Costco that are frozen. They used to have the 21 to 30s that were pre-cooked tail on. And I used to get those, and those are like that big. There'd be like no point in doing 3. It'd fill up the bowl. Those are fun. I like those a lot more. So if you're listening, Costco, get my big shrimp back. Some, yeah, you know what that is. And maybe, oh, you know what? So this is from an umai crate. God, now I'm not going to be able to find this stupid stuff. But they sent this thing. Maybe I can find it. It's like, is it over here? It was not in the most recent one, but the last one, and it's like this. Here it is. Right? Tell me this is it. Yeah. So this is some kind of stuff you sprinkle on udon, but this is kind of like an udon-esque kind of thing. Oh, cool! It's ziplockable. Rad. But this, I think it's just like tempura. So I've been curious about trying this or something. By the way, if you don't know what an umai crate is, go to my YouTube channel and look in the cooking or the unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. They're like little tempura bits. Not bad. Nothing special. Really. But cool. They're Japanese. Hey. There you go. But yeah, go to just look up Umai Crate on the ramenraider.com and you'll find links and there'll be like a coupon code. Actually, the coupon code is the Ramen Raider. One word. THERAMENRATER. And you'll be enthused. Because you get a box. We'll have Japanese junk in it. You eat it. This one's not bad. Alright. Bye.